And we're going to bring on our first finalist demo for the day. And let's give a massive round of applause to Monadic DNA.
Thanks, Karthik. Hello, everyone. We're Monadic DNA, and welcome to our demo. Our team is based across North America, Africa, Asia, across multiple countries. And we've been working around the clock on this project, so we're really proud of what we built. Something that we're really concerned about for a long time is how beneficial personal genomics can be. Services like 23andMe and Ancestry.com can be so useful, but the data is really not secure. There have been multiple breaches. People don't have access to their own data often. So with the new technology that's available to us in this hackathon, we've been trying to show a new way to do it in a privacy-preserving way. So this is our portal. This is the linchpin of the entire ecosystem. So you show up here, and you use this to onboard yourself. So you can bring your existing data. So this is my own data from 23andMe. This consists of my DNA information. And I come here to create a DNA passport. Now, select bits of the data, the relevant bits, are taken and they're stored as secrets on the Nillion network. And it's really cool because this data is completely private. No one can look at it, no third party. And when we perform computations on the data to assess disease risk and things like that, it happens on the encrypted data. Like the data is never decrypted, unlike 23andMe and other services like that. So great, we have our DNA passport. I'm gonna save it here. All right, that's with 905. So we also built some example services that show the power of this paradigm. So this is SnipperBot. SnipperBot operates on DNA information on the cloud. So I upload my DNA passport, which has all the metadata and information needed for SnipperBot to be able to run these computations. And as you can see, the computation from the Nillion network that was on the secret data performed confidentially is back. I have low risk for thrombophilia, and I'm really happy about that. Another service we have is called EmptyDog. EmptyDog uses RISC-0, which is a verifiable computing platform. And you install a program locally on your computer. I've already installed the program. You provide it with your information, with your genetic information and your passport once again. Here, I'm running a computation on the network. So it's actively analyzing my DNA on my computer. And just to be clear, here the data is local, is unencrypted in order to run more intensive computations. I have the option of writing my results on chain. And one thing I want to point out is there is a chain of trust using SIGN protocol that's been established. So Monadic DNA attests on chain which providers are trusted. And it also attests when it receives user data, which data sets are complete and trusted. And each result that we find on any of these services, they're all written on chain as attestations, thereby completing a chain of trust. So let's go back to the Monadic DNA portal right now. And what we can do is, now that we use some services, we can view our results. So here we view our results in a consolidated manner. So I'm going to upload my DNA passport. And yeah, you can see the results from the different applications came back. It reiterates that I have high risk for type 2 diabetes. Fortunately, low risk for thrombosis, so that's good. So as you can see, these are attestations written on chain. These can be displayed as neat PDFs in the future that detail everything for healthcare providers that can independently verify all the computations that happen. So there's trust while still maintaining privacy. So that's really cool. And again, this is my own data stored in secret on the Nillion network. All the computations were done on secret data, unlike 23andMe and other services. And with RISC-0, we use verifiable computations, so everyone can have trust that the computations ran successfully, even though privacy was maintained. And in the future, we're going to add payments to all these services to set up the correct incentives. We're going to be dealing with larger data sets to perform more advanced analysis as the platforms become more scaled. We're going to partner with DNA Labs, so we have end-to-end genomic privacy. And finally, we're going to add more traits. Anyway, it's been a pleasure. Thank you all very much. And please definitely try this on your own. Find out more about our company, Cryptonomic, and see you all online. Thank you.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for being the first finalist demo. And it was awesome to see not only this work on your own live data, but actually showing a real application of a privacy-focused tech that actually helps solve a really important problem. So congratulations, and we hope to see a lot more feature detections in the future versions of this.
Thanks, Karthik.
Amazing.